ThreeFingeredRC. Watch, like, subscribe. In this episode, we see a plane, I switch it into high gear, and I take the stairs. I was able to get to the skate park and complete that trick. The skate park has become a very popular place for me to take the cars. It's just so much fun. Sometimes to get the shot that you want, you have to get the hell out of the way. There, I was able to jump a car 6 feet over my head. It's raining cars as I tried to do a flip that never worked. And there's gonna be a trick here. I know it. I can just feel it. The skate park is really nice, but there's times where it just isn't very kept. And so teenagers and whatnot leave cans and stuff around. But other than that, it's beautiful. and sometimes there's planes. Thank you for watching. There's more fun to come, so be sure to subscribe in order to catch the latest videos. And remember, opinions are like butts. Everyone has one, so leave me your comments.